Mixer versus we've got sparkling soda, grapefruit flavored sparkling soda versus a grapefruit. So that was a grapefruit versus a can of grapefruit sparkling water for 15 minutes in the Concrete Mixer. I'm sure it looks like they fared pretty well, but let's bring them out and see exactly how well they fared. So, we've got the can. It is completely empty. There's no like real big, there's no real big hole in it, and yet somehow it's just leaking from pretty much everywhere. And then we bring out, whew, that is a tender grapefruit. Wow. Like, it was solid when we put it in there, and now it is, that is squishy. And I don't think it's, no, it's leaking from somewhere. Yeah, there we go. So it's got a bit of a squeeze point there that's leaking. I think it's got a few holes in it. We will see how this grapefruit cuts open. Oh, wow, that is a hard cut, eh? It just didn't want to. Whew.
Pretty soft.
It's like ready to be juiced.
Yeah, pretty much pre-juiced.
Pretty much drink that.
Yeah. Pretty pre-juiced.
That is spectacular. And this is also certainly pre-juiced. Again, there is nothing left in there. So we are going to empty the balls out of there, clean it out a little bit, and on tomorrow's episode, or next week's episode, I don't know, of Concrete Mixer, it'll probably be grapes versus bananas. So hope to see you back for that. Have a great week.